gonna walk through part of Old Town Sarajevo, which is pretty cool. Markets and food. And outdoor markets. They do that in Istanbul as well. Fresh pomegranate juice. It's on the walking road. We have all these little side streets in this area. Cool shops. Fruit markets, food, and a very famous fountain, which is not functioning anymore. But all the pigeons. I'm gonna walk through them for the fun of it. Here we go. Don't step on them. That's very cool. The pigeons are everywhere. Get off the couch, people. Enjoy the view.